I just realized I've been sitting here talking to you guys on this and hadn't even been on the stream. So you've had lots of hours of you have an hour of just book map. Sorry, but now I've got to go. Eli's coming down. I'm gonna be in and out. I'm leaving book map up most of the day. We're still waiting for Roy to get back. Whenever he gets here, we'll hop back on. But I might hop in and out between now and then. But we'll see. All right, be right back. Hey guys, if you are hopping on, I did forget to add myself this morning. Usually I'm talking to Roy, so it's automatically added. I did not add myself, I don't think. I don't know if I talked to you guys any at all. But anyway, I'm going to be kind of in and out today. I'm going to leave the stream up with Bookmap going. So if you guys want to follow Bookmap along, you are more than welcome to hang out. And I'm liable to get in and out. So far, we've had a great day. We started out kind of so-so. We got two new trading combines we're trying. We're about $600 up on those, and two of those. So that's about 1,200. We're 550 up in one express account. We got another one we're waiting for them to deduct the payout on, so we're not touching it. And then we're about 600. I think it's 577 up in Take Profit Traders. So fantastic day again today so far. Like I said, I'm gonna leave Top Step up. Roy's coming back at some point. He had a doctor's appointment. It's running a little longer, so but that's it. Now we know Roy's tech genius. Absolutely, I'm not a tech guy at all, Roy. Hey, I'll be right back. My son's coming down. Let me deal with him real quick. I'll see y'all guys in a few minutes. We got one person still here. Like I said, I'm going to be in and out today. I'm going to leave this up. Everything is starting to make sense. Book map and CVD and everything tied. Everything's kind of pointing the same direction. I don't know if I'm going to trade anymore. We're 550 up. 551.30 up and topped up. We got one account we've traded so far. We got another account that is waiting for them to deduct my payout I requested last night. 577 up and take profit trader today. So we are about, let's see, didn't hear you say anything first time because I wasn't here, Dirty Harry. I wasn't here. Okay. I actually forgot to add myself to the screen. Usually I'm talking to Roy and I automatically add us in there. So I wasn't doing that beforehand. So it kind of messed me up, but it's all good. You got me now. I've had a good day, even though y'all didn't hear me taking my trades. It's all good. Let's see. So yeah, we're 885 up on take profit trader in 2 days. I will take that. That's really happy with that so far. So we are $615 away from hitting our buffer, and we can start taking daily payouts if we want to. So that's a good thing. Now I'm gonna log back out of this because I am not taking any more trades in that one today. We're going to come back tomorrow. And this thing is just going to keep dying down, isn't it? Man. Let's swap back over. We're going to go back to our combine. We got 2 combines. I know y'all didn't hear me talk about this morning. We are 588 up, 588.80 up in both of those so far. We took 2 trades. The first one we hit our stop. The second one we hit a little over $1,000 on. So definitely need to be careful here. This thing is drilled down a pretty good bit. We got orders sitting at 59.30, 59.20, 59.15. Oof. Those at 59.25 and 59.15, those are not algo orders. Let's look at our good ways from anchored VWAP off this morning. It's at 559.70. So we're about 35 points off it. These last 3 days just been trend down days pretty much. We did get a recovery. We got this big trend down, then recovered back up, then went back down overnight, came here. This around this was our zone. We did not take the trade back down, the breakdown here. I think we ended up getting up here. We made like $1,000 on it. We were down a little bit on one trade and an XFA, so that worked out really well for us. Like I said, we are going to be really selective on what we do. On the rest of it, we do have some combines here, so we can take some chances on some combines. Oh man, we just realized we got killed in this this strat. Let's move down. So we need to see if we can close that part of our trade. We did. We closed that part. So closed out the side we sold for a decent profit. Now, if they can get any bounce at all on IWM, that trade will work out. So we'll see. Taking a beating in it now. Around $137 in that strat today. Bad thing about it was we opened up green and became like 5 cents from hitting our limit order, and it didn't hit, and it dropped. So it is what it is. Anybody got any trades on this morning? Anybody done anything? Anybody having a good day? Yay, nay, possibly, possibly not. How we shorted ES long Bible. There you go. I didn't look at Bible this morning, but you shorted ES. I know you made some money because I did. Damn Roy and his appointments all the time. He forgot he had an appointment this morning, so he is out. He told me it was going to be a short appointment. This is why I didn't delay the stream. He was like, "Hey, you going to delay it till I get done?" Well, we delayed it till he got done. We still would not be in the stream yet. So get a nice little move back up here. This is why I said we got to be careful on this. If you was to try to short down here, just because we got to be getting close to some levels here. Your dip buyer stepping back in. Could go back to 35 though. I don't know. Let's see. Could go to 50. Could go to 50. But like I said, we could go back down 35, 30 area. 30 would be a nice spot to look for I got a level at 27.25 on over here, so that could be a possibility if it does want some more downside. But getting a nice little pop here, even though when call premiums are dropping, put premiums did drop too. Volume is kind of popping up a little bit, so CBD is back positive again. Also, last Friday when I said I wasn't going to touch this Smith 65 drive, I lied. I bought 10 puts expiring this Friday. Okay. It's all good. Let's see if we can get. How about if we go up here and test the 851 might be a place to look for a short. Still a gamble, so enough to make the trade free. We'll see if the report today deadline. I'm kind of conflicted on them, Howie. The more I dig into them, the more I'm just. Didn't their CEO, wasn't he busted for some kind of accounting regulations or something that he did? Is that not the case? Did I not see that? If that's the case, years ago, I mean, if he was busted for that, I mean, history kind of repeats itself, doesn't it? Yeah, there's absolutely some stuff going on there that just doesn't make sense, right? I mean, I don't know why you. I think the first CPA firm that pulled out, I think that had to do with a few different things. And saying that though, I also think there's a reason they hadn't done anything yet, and that just doesn't make sense to me. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, it's how he said his thesis was thesis either you sell the news or they don't report. I wouldn't enter now, but at 65 was too good. I agree. I don't blame you for entering at all. Don't blame you at all for entering. I hope it works out and you make lots more money on your runners you're holding. That would be fantastic. I see the Republicans are having a press conference now, a news conference they're saying. I'm sure it's about the budget they're trying to get passed. I've seen so much fear mongering with the budget. It's just I saw it was a congressman or a senator had a press conference going off about how that they're coming after if this budget passes, you lose your Social Security, you lose your Medicaid. Which, if you look at the bill, none of that's in there. So, but then they come back and said, well, I mean, they have to pull that in order to make the budget work. What they're saying, like, okay, I mean, is that? I don't know. Do we get a bounce here? We'll get a little bounce at the bottom down there. Kind of fighting around. CBD's back up to around 1100. So, but CBD has been kind of tricky this morning to read. Now you got puts dropping, calls popping a little, volume coming back down, and the price coming back down a little bit with it. So I don't know. Can we go back and reach low a day again? You got a bunch of orders sitting at 40, which is not low a day, but those are algos, so they are moving down some. I'm going to go to 43 first. I did take a short there on the combines. So we'll see if this thing can come down. Oh, it's not wanting to miss one of my take profits by just a couple ticks there. Well, let's see if it got to break 44. I got my take profit at 43, my first take profit at 43 here. Yeah, Roy, that was a nice rejection there. If we can get any momentum down with it, would be fantastic, and it would get me out of this. It would actually get me $1,500 in these combines, and I could call it. I'd be done on everything for the day. But it's just not breaking all the way down with it. See if they can push it down, but not loving it so far. With it holding up here, CBD's kind of chilling. U.S. Secretary Vincent concludes the event at the Australian Embassy in Washington. Well, he's done speaking. So he's had some stuff going on this morning where he's been kind of moving the market a little bit. Hadn't really been negative, but he hadn't really said a lot of positive stuff either. So just kind of chilling out. But I don't like this move back up. So I might cut this trade here in just a second for a very small gain. I'm really pissed that 43 didn't hit. It got down to what? 43.50, so it missed me by 2 ticks, my first take profit. If that would have been the case, I'd move my stop to break even and we'd have had a green day guaranteed on the day on those. But it's neither here nor there now. What do you do, right? What do you do? Ooh, move up. There you go. Just took us out. Hit our stop there. Knew something was 6.5 in there. I just didn't like the way it was doing. Could see 60, maybe. $62.50. They're moving some orders up, so let's see if we can hold above the 8 here. We got a chance. We could possibly go back up to. Well, you'd look at the 13 first, and you would look at the 21, and then possibly VWAP, which is the bottom of our zone. So Or you can just do that. I'm really pissed. They have not deducted my payout yet. Usually they're pretty good about having that done by this time of day. So there's that. I wonder if we could scalp a little here. Yep. So I got $200 on more on the XFA there. Took a little call real quick. Got it. So I'm actually 745 up on those now. That's pretty good. My goal going today was $1,000 on it. So let's see if we can get. You didn't get it. I wonder if they can take this to 60. You're getting a drop in put premiums. You're getting a little pop here in CVD. We're going to. It's going to backfire on us. We're going to take a little loss on this one here. Try to take another pop there. Yeah, I agree, Howie. It's just it can't follow through to the upside, which is kind of annoying, and can't follow through to the downside. It did earlier, but now we're kind of here, right? So see if we can. I would really love for it to come down to 40, and then that would be where I would look to take another long. See if we can get to 40. There's. We got orders at 42. We got 1,087 orders at 42, actually. Let's see if we can get a little more dip here. I would love to come down and test that 42 area. I would probably look for a long down there. Yeah, Royce, we're not getting a clear move either way. I do like it back upside here, but I just don't know if it can get up. Okay, there you go. That makes sense. Howie says that ES stalled out on the downside when NQ hit my weekly expected moves on the downside. Tech is in control today. Max 7 just looks horrible overall, so there's that. But it just can't get a pop back up here like where I would have liked it to be. I would love for it to get up, come back, and possibly go back above the 8, come up. Let's see what happens here. If it can get to 52, there's 52. about 53? How about you hit 53 this time? You got orders at 54.25. If we get a little move up here, it's right on the 8, so you got to be careful with it. Was that the move there? Was that it? Is that all we're going to get out of it? To the upside? Well, maybe. It's fighting back up a little here. Oh, you dirty dog. Dirty dog. Let's see if we can get up. It touched that 43.25 area and then drop back down a little. It's got some volatility to it on the moves it's making, though. I give it credit on that. And there we go, boys and girls. I took it along there. 1,053.90 and an XFA again today. So how about that? I've had a fantastic day. All right, well, that account is locked. That account is locked up. No more of those. Ugh. This has been a fantastic week. It's been a fantastic last 3 days. I'm not going to lie to you. We've had some moves. We could have got more on this move. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this is when it hurts. Hell yeah, Howie. Howie said he's up 40% of his Baba calls. That's what I'm talking about. If you don't come here for the entertainment, come here for Howie's plays. Howie's the man. Good job, sir. Looks like Roy's not going to make it, so I'm going to go on my rant already without Roy here. I went down a rabbit hole last night. Some of you will appreciate this rabbit hole. It was frauds on YouTube. It all started with the Danny Trades thing. I don't know if anybody's kept up with the Danny Trades thing where he was, looks like he was trading paper accounts. Then he tried to show his brokerage account. Well, he had actually photoshopped it, and it was dumb. So he lied. Then he lied on top of lies. Then he lied on top of more lies, and he got caught again. And then he put a thing out yesterday with more broker statements where the fonts didn't add up on the numbers. So it looked like he lied. He did that. There's been a lot of stuff he's done. So I kind of went down the rabbit hole. I know Patrick Whelan's been calling him out, and I have nothing against Patrick. I don't think he's a loudmouth punk, but I don't, other than that, he makes his money, does what he wants to do. Fine. He's an Apex guy. He actually deals with a bunch of different prop firms now. I think Apex, top Take Profit Trader. There's a few different ones he does affiliate with. Well, going down the rabbit hole with Danny Trades last night, I saw a thing about Patrick Whelan. Seems like over the years, Patrick Whelan has been caught multiple times paper trading and acting like it was a real account. So you kind of start looking, you're like, all right, the pot's calling the kettle black, right? We got some bad stuff there. Well, you start digging in. Riley Coleman, if you in the Discord, I actually like Riley Coleman in the past. Well, Riley Coleman looks like he was a scam. I don't know the gist of everything he did, but I know that him and another buddy, I forgot his name, I can look it up and tell you guys later, they had a service 4 or 5 years ago. They were selling a class. Well, it was copyrighted stuff they were selling. They were actually stealing. And it seems like if you're going to be smart enough to do this, you're going to do it right. But no, they stole it word for word. So you could watch the YouTube or the video of the stuff they stole, and you could watch theirs. And they didn't even change the damn words up. They were saying the exact same words, the exact same way on the exact same examples. And this guy had copyrighted this stuff, right? So you had that. I went down this rabbit hole, and it seems like everybody on YouTube is always trying to hide something. I don't know why. This is my account I traded today. This is an XFA account. You see this XFA. There's nothing I can swap. We're waiting on this one. Waiting on the payout to come out on this one. It's 2,500. I did just blow these stupid things because I was an idiot on those. I didn't get out, but you know, it is what it is. We're not really worried about these because I got enough in these were going to be backup. So I took a chance on them and I just let them go and it backfired on me. So it is what it is. With this account here, look at this, $2,063. This account's 2 days old. Let's actually go look at the performance stats. You can see I took some losses, took some wins today. Yesterday was one trade. I was 100% trade. Today I taken it and I was 66% win rate. You can see our average win rate is 479. Our average lose is 279. Our worst trade was 459. Our best trade was 1,099. So I've had, let's look down. This is 2 days. This account's been open. This is an XFA account. We are already past the buffer. So if I just do the minimum through Friday, I can request a payout on this one on Friday. Let's say if we do like just 500 each, there's a $1,500 payout on Friday. So we got to be smart going forward. Took a few chances they probably shouldn't have, but you can see this is how it rode off. You had a couple wins, you had a loss, a few wins, a break even, then you had a loss. And then we had a short here that got us $1,012. This last trade we were in was a long. They got us, we actually had two, so it was $775 on that trade. So this is where we started. And this is where we finished. I don't know why it says that because we were never $1,000 up on this thing this morning. So I would have quit if it would have been $1,000 up. So that doesn't make sense to me, but maybe I looked at something wrong. I don't know. But I was never $1,000 up in that one account until I reached here. So it doesn't really make much sense. Let's see. That's $800. Maybe I was. I don't know. Anyway, this is what you see. This is transparent. I can't make this stuff up. I can't do it. I can't fake it. This is true. You see me got a trade. Here's what it is, right? So I love my least profitable days $1,000. Now that's fucking awesome, isn't it? 1,053 average trade time I was in. These last ones, I'm not gonna lie, I was scalping in and out, right? Short, we made some money. Long, we got stopped out. Made some money, got stopped out, then got back in, made it back up. So $1,000, 2 days, I'll take it. Like I said, there was a few more risk involved in this today. Going forward, I will not do that because we are trying to get this thing to pay out. So your overall P&L is at $2,063.60. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Coach T. So not bad. Daily win rate. I don't know why the day win rate is 62% when we won 2 days, but it's just showing overall trades. Okay. I am proud of this, though. I do like this. Our average win is 479. Our average loss 270. We're keeping the risk management pretty good on it. So we've got that one. We've got this account that we hadn't traded. We're 25.21. We're like I said, we're waiting on payout. It's more of a one-to-one risk reward. I don't really like this as much. I would like to get this up a little higher, but no trades today. And you can see this one, the very first day we had it, we took an $1,800 loss, and we slowly creeped our way back up into it. What do you notice here? 435, but we limited our downside. We cut it. We stopped for the day, finished positive on the week, had a great week last week, and had a great day yesterday on it. So love that. Let's see. I'm going to move off this for a second. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to see if I can show you my I'm going to add one here. I want to show you my take profit trader so you can see where we are in it too. Like I said, we're going to be transparent. I never show you guys my take profit trader. Show you guys my Trade-O-Vate side because I hate Trade-O-Vate, but here we go. So you can see me log into it. Access simulated. And this is where we're at now. We're $2,585. Today we had 577.50. Our drawdown is still $1,500, so we're hitting our take profit. Could have got more out of it, but like I said, we're being conservative. Let's see if we can look at the trades on it. Where's the trades at? I thought they were there. Let's do it in PDF. It doesn't really matter. Oh, I don't want a PDF. Shit. How about we just go to it here instead of trying to download it everywhere? Here we go. So the gross P&L was 612. We took 7 trades, 4 contracts. We were trading 1. So if you see 7, it's going to be double. Whatever this number is always going to be double because you got to open and close. Average trade time was 2 minutes, 13 seconds. Longest trade was 4 minutes. Profitable trades, 57%. Kept our stop, right? So this is where we're at overall. Largest winning trade was 700. Oh, this is the total profits and total losses. So 1,512 total profit, 900 total losses gives that 612. You take fees out, that gives us 577.50. And then here's our trades down here. We can see we took a loss to start with, then we got back, and then we took 2 losses in a row, then we got a big winner on the backside. So I think this is probably as transparent as you can get with what we're doing here. Like I said, I normally don't show this, but I'll show it. It shows demo. Yes, this is a demo account. I'm in a pro account. Once my balance reaches 5,000, it will move to a pro plus, which will be a live account. It will not say demo anymore. So let's look at the orders we took today. Here's all our orders we took. This is every order since we've done it. And you can see I'm doing brackets. I'm doing 1 at a time. You don't see more than 1. Let's look at our position history. 7 today. So that's not horrible. Look at everything. Oh, no. This is the fields. This is what got filled on it. Let's look at the account balance. This is what you see. Show no records. It's not going to show there for some reason. I don't know why that's not showing. You can see here, this is what I did today. 577.50 today. And then we're 25,885 overall. So we're $615 away from getting above the drawdown. And once we do get above that drawdown, then we have daily payouts. That's my goal, to get the daily payouts. And I'm sitting there showing you all my account stuff and didn't realize, damn, we're drilling back down over here, aren't we? Yeah, it is what it is, right? This is your orb. This automatically draws your orb. I went and found this here. So this is the opening orb, draws it automatically. It keeps the history, so you see, like, this was yesterday's orb. You can see we came up, tested, then we died out of it. This is the other day's orb, Friday's orb. It shows all the orbs. So you can see here, we just kept plugging around the orb all day. I just like to have it there because it's easier for me to see when I'm swapping back and forth. Now we will get back to bookmap for you guys because it's kind of strange. We're getting this moved down. The CBD is plus 1,000. I didn't realize CBD got up to, what is that? Is it 4,000? They got up to almost 4,000. Got to 38.28. Wow. It's coming back down now. Yeah, right at the 21 there. Let's look at it on top so we can see it a little better. Let's go back to charts. We will not trade that account, so we're waiting on a payout. Right at the 21 and rejected down. Actually, when I was in the long, I said I would love to get 21. I should have waited and got back in that short there, and we could have made this $2,000 instead of $1,000. Wow, that was traded out perfect. So there you go. Oh, Roy said they were going to have a quick appointment. It was at 8:30. It is now 10 o'clock and still no Roy. Still no Roy. What a goober. Y'all remind me next time I see Roy. We got to call him a goober. He's a goober for this one. But I am going to leave Bookmap up. I'm probably going to take a break. I need to grab a snack. Never heard of a quick doc appointment if it was a die. How you say that? There's a convenient care or urgent care here in Oxford that you can actually set an appointment up. And I'm with you. I've always been you go and you just wait forever and ever and ever and ever. This urgent care, like I got there, I think my appointment was like at 9. I got there at 8:55. I did all the paperwork and stuff online, so I didn't have to fill any paperwork out when I got there. Straight up 9 o'clock, I was called to go back in the room. At 9:25, I was leaving. All my stuff was already done. I was like, wow, this was the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. So typically, I agree with you. I think what Roy Dim's dealing with is probably more like what you're saying, where they overbook and then they just sit there and let people wait forever because they have no regards for people's time. They don't give a crap. They don't give a shit about your time. So it is what it is. We made it through today. We missed the first part of the stream with me talking to nobody because I wasn't on the stream, but that's all right. Y'all got to see Bookmap all morning. I'm gonna leave Bookmap up pretty much all day if you guys want to stay in here. As long as there's people in here, I'll leave it up. I don't know if Bookmap will eventually stop us from doing this. I like sharing Bookmap with you guys. If we're not going to be here, I'd definitely love for you guys to be able to see it. I know it's beneficial. That's like it was here. Maybe this urgent care, maybe they're from Mexico because they were quick like that. Everywhere else I've ever been is hurry up and wait, right? But those people are really good. On Trump advised Navarro on Canada Mexico tariffs. If we do not get progress, Trump will do tariffs. Okay, we already talked about this. When does the market become just where it just ignores the word tariff? Does that ever happen? Do we get there eventually? Because every day we hear tariffs, 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 and I am so tired of hearing about tariffs. So I'm so tired of hearing about tariffs, and I'm so tired of hearing about how the Republicans are coming to stake your Social Security and your Medicare, Medicaid, and how the uh, Democrats are coming to take your guns and your rights and blah, 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 whatever. I'm tired of the fear mongering on both sides. I can't stand it. I'm done with it. I used to politics. I used to get into politics back in the day. Like I love politics. It's like a sporting event to me. I found my team. I rated for my team. I did all I could to help my team win. Did the whole thing. Now I hate politics. I hate looking at it. I hate seeing it. I hate reading about it. But we have to keep up with it because we trade it, right? So it's kind of a catch-22 here. I don't want to hear about it every damn day, but I have to hear about it every damn day because the markets depend on it. So I don't know. Good luck. Good luck. This is the business we're in. Maybe when I retire fully, I don't have to worry about any of it. But I don't plan on doing that anytime soon. Now we said we will set a reciprocal tariff for digital services tax. Okay. I think we just throw shit out now to see what sticks and what doesn't stick. I don't know. It is a warm day here today, so I am going to touch some grass. Probably go touch a golf course here in a little while. But I'm going to leave this up for a little while longer. I'm going to take a break now. So, like I said, you guys are here. Enjoy it. I'll hop back on here in a little bit and see if there's anything happening. I'm not trading anything else. I will probably, I don't know if I'm going to reset these accounts or not. I'm at a loss of words for them right now, to be honest with you. I am, since this ain't come out yet, I'm going to go and lock this account up. So we're not trading that account no matter what today. That account is locked up. So we got everything locked up. Just waiting on them to do it. Usually it's by 10 o'clock. This is very strange. They have not done anything yet. So let me check my emails to make sure I've not gotten a denial. I don't know. I haven't done anything to get a denial. So let's see. We'll look at this real quick. Of course, it takes forever to download. Oh wow! So when it hits your, I forgot about this because it's automatic. When you hit your max loss, well, here you go. It tells you immediately. You get an email on it. Saying three. I only hit two. I don't know what accounts. But I've not got a denial on my payout, so there's that. Which I don't expect to get a denial on my payout. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Because I hadn't done anything wrong. You guys see how we trade. We're not doing anything. We're not hedging. We're not doing anything stupid. So but anyway, let me take a break. I'm gonna grab some food, do a few things around here, then I will be back here in, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes or so. See you guys in a minute. All right, guys. Looks like Roy is not going to make it today. So, hadn't heard back from him in a long time. So we are going to. I'm going to call it here. It's 10:45. I would leave this up, but I'm actually nervous that Bookmaster will come in and close it down if nobody's here to do anything with it. So I am going to call it a day here. I appreciate you guys being here, and one of us or two of us will be back tomorrow. Don't know if Roy has more appointments, but I'll be here, Lord willing. So other than that, hope everybody had a great day. Continue to have a great day, and I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. Appreciate it, guys.